10:30. We got a late start out here at the new pool. You see Terry over there. She's getting her chairs already. She's all disappointed because remember there's no chair hogging. No chair hogging here on the ship. Alright, they put these new countertops and new machines. Look at that, how fancy. But then when we go over here, we find out fancy's not always great. Fancy chancy. Alright, your new omelet selections. No more just getting anything. Limited down again. So there's your finished product. Now remember, on your new omelet selections, you only have 3 choices. You have veggie, which is just green peppers, green peppers and onions. And then you have ham and cheese or just cheese omelets. And then they'll do fried eggs for you if you want it. Now, how do I think about this? Well, it's okay, but some people like bacon in their omelets. Some people like spinach and all the greens and all that. But it's very easy to order, and it seems like it goes a little faster too. So I'm okay with it. Are you? So upon further review, I don't usually ever leave food. And yeah, they're just, for some reason, it tasted dried out. I don't know why. Cooked it just like they always do, but really wasn't very good. But Terry said her muffin and her banana were great. And I took a bite.
Delicious.
And it was actually good. So, I don't know what we're going to think about the old omelet here. Well, good morning.
Good morning.
As you see, it's kind of quiet out here already. Omelet, not very good.
And it's already 9 o'clock, and it's not a lot of people out yet. Of course, all the
chair hogs are out. I showed you that.
But
anyway. All right, so today we're just going to lay by the pool. At 10:30, we got to go to the
captain's welcome party.
It's a diamond party. We always call it that. I don't know why.
Yeah.
But anyway, so that'll probably start the drinking thing. I don't know. I think that's why they do it at 10:30, so nobody goes. Too early to drink. We'll show them.
Stop.
All right, so anyway, so we're going to spend the day at the pool, and then we'll bring the rest of it to you later. I'm sure there'll be some antics going on in this pool. All right, so anyway, so tomorrow I'm going to bring you the all the new changes on the ship. I found a lot. So, and we had an inside source. So, all right, I'll talk to you later. Say bye.
Bye.
She's always so slow. All right, where are we going, babe?
We're going to the diamond party.
Diamond party, not the...
I got it right.
Called it the captain's party.
I practiced all night to get the right answer.
She stayed up all night and studied.
Practice.
No, she studied.
Diamond party, not the...
Right. But she did get her Wordle in 2 this morning, so now I'm kind of embarrassed.
But we're going to the diamond party to meet all the new staff on the ship because we haven't been here a while. We don't know them more. So we're going to go meet new people and new staff, and it's so exciting.
It is 24.
We'll make new friends. Not a problem. All right, we'll bring it to you.
See ya.
Say bye.
Bye-bye. He's the secretary.
Sure.
Okay. Yep. But Moffat's good. Moffat's very good. I think.
Not many people in here today.
Not
many at all.
I was treated there though.
We're running out of room.
Yeah.
You were treated good.
And Tara, what you got there? What you got there? Christmas trees?
Yeah. This one pistachio and then raspberry.
Good morning. Hello.
Took me almost an hour to get
A
rid of
very
it.
warm welcome back, our amazing diamonds. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Now, right here, beautiful Carnival Paradise. Thank you. Would you like to meet them?
Yeah!
Amazing. Well, first of all, my name is Shauna. I am your entertainment director here on board. So very good morning to you. On my right, we are going to be starting with the gentleman that has doubled all these drinks up this morning for you. He is our beverage operations manager. Please give it up for Gibson. The next gentleman oversees the entire food and beverage operation. Please give it up for our food and beverage director, Andre. The man of the hour. Him and his team makes all of the delicious food here on board. Can you please give it up for our executive chef, JJ?
JJ.
Next, her team works very hard around the clock. Please give it up for Anissa, your guest services manager. The towel animal king. Yes, he makes all the towel animals in your cabins. You walk out of the room, you go back in, boom, there's another one. Please give it up for your housekeeping manager, Dante. Now, the lady of the hour. This lady sees the entire hotel operations. Please give it up for your hotel director, Dorothy.
All the way from Tampa, like me. Yeah. Well, where are we?
42 cruising.
That's right. Where are we going? You know?
Cozumel.
Doesn't matter. It's all about the ship, right? All right, man. Well, I hope you enjoy. What are you going to do in Cozumel?
Absolutely nothing. Just walk around.
I think that's what we're going to do. Absolutely nothing. But we got to bring something to somebody, right? I think we're going to start. What do you think about this? I think we should start. What's the best bar in Cozumel? Don't even. Oh, go ahead.
I've
Come on,
got a little bit
Keith.
of trouble with Cozumel.
Oh, well, so have we, Keith.
Paradise Beach is normally our good.
Oh, yeah. Well, that and Mr. Sancho. I've already did a video on that, but what about just bars? What do you think? Look, she's over here saying no.
I've gotten a little bit of trouble there before. So.
We've been in trouble there. Okay. I'm surprised we're not in a Mexican prison right now. But anyway, thank you.
Your Poncho's, what is it, Poncho's backyard?
Poncho's backyard. But I told you on the last video, Miguel left. Miguel's gone. But Raphael is still at Mr. Sancho's. So anyway, thanks a lot. What's your favorite YouTube channel?
42 cruising.
That's what I thought. All right, brother.
Thank you.
Mass exodus of the pool. We got something floating in the pool. What could it be? Uh-oh. All right, so we got something in the pool. Oh, lovely. That'll shut the whole pool down. Oh, mass exodus of the pool.
Somebody just threw up. He's like,
So rumor has it, someone threw up in the pool. Terry's trying to check it out and see who it was. We don't see anything. Not like on the Magic. All right, we'll bring it to you later. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, good old chlorine, that'll take care of anything. There's Terry checking it out. I don't know what she's doing, but maybe she's gonna do a taste test. You what? They spit? Oh, come on. It's a spit. Yeah, Put them back in the pool. Get them back in the pool. All right, so we're gonna look here to see what happened. Oh, Terry's in the way. Ma'am, get out of the pool. Ma'am, get out of the pool, ma'am. Ma'am, get out of the pool, ma'am. Did you spit in the pool, ma'am? Ma'am?
Spit!
Oh, big deal. Oh, we're closing the pool. We're pulling the ropes out. We have just now closed the pool. So when we ruin the pool, we all just get in the hot tub. Yep. Oh, what a shame. Everybody was having such a good time, too. Oh, well. That means his job is done for the day. What a way to get out of work, sir. Yep, pool's closed. Here I am with Chris. He was at the bar and I noticed his shirt here.
Oh yeah.
He's been in the casino too. What do you got left there, Chris?
I got one more silver dollar, but I'm not gonna let it get me down. No, I'm not.
It's like a $2.50 chip. Thanks, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Cheers. All right, the pool is now officially closed and empty. They have drained all the water out. Now they'll come back, scrub the pool, and then they'll open it back up again. Maybe, I don't know if it'll be today or not, but all because of a kid. We never saw anybody really throw up, but it looked like he spit in the pool, but they closed it. All right, where are we going, babe?
Where are we going? No, I'm kidding. We're going to dinner. We're hungry. We didn't eat much today, but I'm going to see. And it's dress up night, so we've got really dress
Dress up night.
Dress up night.
All right. We'll see you there. There he is. There's that guy.
Oh, God. Sorry. We almost.
All right, so we're going to dinner. We'll bring the menu in just a second, right about now.
And this was like 3 years after we, no, 2 years after we adopted.
Second.
One of the things that put it over the top. My daughter that was 13,
Salad.
her daughter was
Terry got the prime rib with a loaded baked potato. French fries, and I got chicken with a baked potato.
bacon.
She's very good. That's better than the last time.
Hey, where are we going?
Where are we going? We're already here. We're here at the Punchliner Comedy Club because I can read the sign, so I know where I am.
Chad Elsner. You've seen him about, I don't know, 10 times, 20 times.
He is funny,
She thinks
though.
I can't see her.
He's
She
funny.
thinks I can't see her. Oh, boy. All right, anyway, we'll bring it to you. So we went to 3 comedy shows tonight.
We did.
And we actually made open up the bar so we could get a chocolate martini and a goblet.
Regular cup, but
And a
he was
regular
so
cup.
nice. He made us a special drink, so we're gonna
Yeah.
drink it. So cheers.
So, anyway.
I believe they run rich. They're using some